welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't made a video in like freaking forever, but I'm back with a Christmas makeup tutorial. Yeah, so I had like the look in my head and I was like, okay, let's sit down and let's film for YouTube. Yeah, and I actually really like the outcome. So if you babes want to learn how to get this look, or I mean if you just want to watch and maybe learn something new, keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base. I use the shade 0.5 and I like to just go in with my finger and just pat it in. But the coverage on this is crazy. Just look at this side compared to this side. It's insane. So I'm just gonna do one eye and then I'm gonna do the other side off camera. So for today's look, we're gonna be using the James Charles palette. First I'm gonna go in with this dark green shade. And I'm using the Morphe M562. So I'm just taking this right in the crease. Just like that. I'm gonna wing it out since we are doing a full cut crease. And I love this brush because it's so like, the bristles are so little, so you can get in there like really easy. Okay, so now that's done. Now we're going in with this light green shade. We're gonna use the shade to blend the top of that, just so there's no harsh lines for this cut crease. And this brush is the Morphe 506. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever. Oh my god, the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer in the shade Whipped Cream, which is their lightest shade. And the brush I'm gonna be using, it's like, let me show you guys. It's like a super flat, it's like an art brush that I got from Ross for like $2, you guys. Like, this brush literally makes it so easy to cut the crease. And I'm sure you can find brushes like this like at, what are those stores called, like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But yeah, I was lucky enough to find it at Ross. Don't sleep on Ross, you guys. I'm always so focused when I'm cutting my crease. Now I'm going in with the white shade in the palette and I'm just gonna set that concealer. So I like to set it and then go in with the next shade. The next shade I'm gonna be taking is this bright freaking red shade. Okay, and I'm just applying this all over the lid. Look at the pigment. Yes. This looks like a watermelon look. Huh. So now that the watermelon shades are down, I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and just wipe off all this excess eyeshadow all over the place. And also, a little trick that I do, I take it, I wrap it around my finger. I'm gonna clean up the tail. Boom. I'll be taking my NYX glitter liner and just some gold glitter. A little trick that I like to do, I like to take the glitter liner, dip it into the glitter, and do my liner with this. Adding that glitter is just gonna make it more intense and prettier. So I'm just gonna do the liner on my lid, and I'm also gonna take it right there underneath the crease. Honestly, I didn't know how this was gonna turn out, but I'm actually liking it. The mascara I'm using is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. The lashes I'm going to be using are the Pink Makeup Box Lashes in Preciosa. These lashes are so freaking pretty. Look at this. You guys can also get 10% off using my code princesshope. The glue that I'm using is the Tarte Lash Glue. So I just let it dry for like a couple seconds, and then I just slap it on. When I concentrate hard, like my mouth, like and that is what it looks like. This is crazy. Look at this. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to continue on the face. Okay, so to prep my skin, I'm gonna start off using the Smashbox Primer Water in Centering Citrus. This one smells so good. Just to bring a little hydration into my skin because it is winter. My skin is getting like super dry like around this area. It's so annoying. I'm also gonna take their super light primer and just put that all over, you guys, and ignore these pimples. I look like I got piercings there or something. I woke up with them this morning and I popped them this morning, but it's fine. We're about to cover them up anyways. Alright, and for foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade Shortbread. I'm just going to dab this all over my face. I don't use a beauty blender for my foundation anymore. Who am I? This is a It Cosmetics brush. Look how freaking pretty it is. So extra. Just like me. I just feel like with this brush, I just get more coverage and I don't have to use as much product. I know I look like a ghost right now, but I promise it gets better. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15. I do have to use a beauty blender because I feel like with the brush, I can't really get all up in there like I need to. And this concealer does dry really quick, so you have to work with it really quick. And you can already see the difference. I don't get much sleep, so this concealer really does a job for me. The powder I'm going to be using is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Pound Cake. I'm just going to use this to set all over. Now the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Laura Mercier bronzer, and I don't want to say that wrong, so I'm going to just show y'all. And the brush I'm using, this is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a number on it, so I don't know. The blush I'm going to be using is the ColourPop X Bretman Rock blush in Ooh She's Blushing. Also, you guys can use my code princesshope5 for $5 off on the ColourPop website. I feel like it's annoying when you guys hear that, but it's like, sis, I'm just trying to help you save your coins, you know? simple. I feel super duper Christmas right now. Now, my favorite part, I'm going in with the Anastasia and Amrezi. Whoa. Okay, and because this is like an extra, super extra Christmas look, I'm gonna be using a red lip. This is the ColourPop and I Love Sarai lipstick. And that is it, you guys. And now I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I didn't even know if I was gonna like how this look turned out. I just had it in my head, and yeah, but I really like the come out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I'm definitely planning on uploading a New Year's Eve look. I'm so grateful for you guys and all of your constant support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.